Hi guys, it's our travelling family and we're in France at the moment. We're going to be telling you the 6 best ways to use Canvas.
Number 1. Working through modules. In the module, it shows us what pages to read through and activities to complete in our textbooks. We work through the modules at our own pace. For example, if we struggle, we go a bit slower, and if you find it easier, you can go a bit faster. Number 2. Quizzes. After we finish a module, we do a quiz to ensure we are ready for the assignment. However, if we get under 50%, we look at the answers and see where we need to improve. You can do the quiz as many times as you like. Number 3. Assignments. After you finish your module and quiz, you move on to an assignment. Assignments are used so your tutor can see how well you understand the topic. They give you feedback, which is always nice and helpful. And if you get a high score, they want you to focus on how you got there. Number 4. Extra support. If we are unsure of something or are struggling with a topic, we use all of our resources, including talking to our tutors or using a website. Number 4. Clubs and competitions. There are a number of clubs and competitions for you to choose from. There is a different competition each month and they each have a unique topic. You can be as creative as you like. There are plenty of clubs including Lego Club, Art Club, Poetry Club, Chess Club and many more. Finally, parent access. Parents are also able to access Canvas so that they can keep track of their child's progress and chat to their tutors or student progress manager. Hope you've enjoyed this video and it has been helpful to you. Good luck and see you next time.